2006 IS250. An interior and exterior design inspired by the world of competitive racing, the IS250's authentic performance and style are the hallmarks of this classy luxury sedan. This vehicle has less than 150,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, airbags, fog lights, outside temperature gauge, power moonroof, daytime running lights, heated side mirrors, digital clock, 3-point rear seat belts. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.